What's going on, guys? My name is Paul and this is my 2023 GR Corolla. So let's go ahead and talk about how damn fun this car is. To be fair, yes, my car is modified to a certain degree. With just slight modification with this car can really blow away a lot of expectations. All right, so let's go ahead and start talking about what I've done to the car. So, as you see here, my car was pretty damn stock. I mean, as all cars are. But yeah, one thing I didn't like about the car was it looked very plain. And as I saw more and more GR Corollas on social media, more owners, I wanted to do something that made my car stand out. So let's go ahead and start off with the mod list. First thing I did was the rear bumper protector. I got this from a Toyota dealership. I got some window visors from eBay. We'll talk about those later. I ended up getting some tint. I got some subs. These were like $700 for the setup. Then I got some door sills, and I got the circuit edition spoiler set up. I got some GR4 decals for the side rockers. Adds a nice touch. As you can see, that's what it looks like without it. I got some door lights, so at night looks pretty cool. A little rice, but who cares? And I ended up getting this license plate bracket holder. My coworker custom made it. I don't work with my coworker anymore, so I can't really get another one, unfortunately. So if this breaks, then that's just too bad for me. Up next, I ended up getting this carbon fiber hood from Craftsy Performance. This is a very nice quality carbon fiber hood. It comes with the weather guard if it rains. As you saw in the B-roll, I don't have it on. So yeah, fully carbon fiber. It looks really nice. Moving on. I ended up getting some yellow fog light tints from Badgeskins. They were only like $20. After that, I ended up getting some carbon fiber vents from NVS Specialties alongside with window triangles. Looks really nice, adds a nice touch. I wanted to go for the carbon fiber look because the Circuit and Marizo editions had a forged carbon hood, and I thought maybe let's go ahead and put regular carbon fiber weave on the Core edition, just, you know, make it look a little different. Adds a nice touch. All the little pieces that I did. Oh, these valve stems I got from Etsy. They're pretty nice. Adds a nice touch. I ended up getting this carbon fiber gas cap from King of Carbon Fiber. It looks really nice. Adds a nice touch. And then I ended up getting the Sayberdesigns lip kit. Really nice, really nice. I ended up putting some slip low on the bottom just in case I don't scrape or break the lip. More on that later. I actually broke the lip. After that, I ended up lowering the car with some Swift lowering springs, and I installed the Sayberdesigns lip kit while me and my brother and his friends, we all did this little project together. Really nice, really nice. And after that, I ended up getting a intake from 6 Element, and that is the intake that you saw in the B-roll. This is what it looks like when it's not assembled. As you know, 6 Intake was one of the first companies to make AA intake, and I personally think it's the best value for the performance. It's very functional, and it works very well. Adds a lot of nice noises, and they had a engine light fix. They're one of the first companies with that. Here's what the intake sounds like. Sounds really good, honestly. One of the best sounding intakes, one of the cheapest intakes, one of the best performing intakes. I really do recommend 6 Intake. If not 6 Intake, I prefer to get the MST intake. All the other intakes are a little bit pricey, so I mean, if it works, don't fix it, right? Anywho, obviously more carbon fiber. As you can see by my build, I'm obsessed with carbon fiber. I mean, if you don't know, now you know. The reason why I got carbon fiber is because I was a little bit upset that I didn't get the Circuit Edition, because all the local dealerships were marking up the Circuit Edition for like $10,000 to $25,000 around the time I bought mine. So yeah, you can get what you pay for. Anywho, I got some Dressup bolts from for my license plates. It just adds a nice little spice, as you can see before and after. After that, I ended up getting a dash cam. I really do think that Fitcamx makes the best dash cams for the Toyota Corolla platform. If you don't know, now you know. Okay, anywho, I got a 6 Element armrest. I think it's a much needed mod, adds more quality of life, definitely something worth getting. Next up, I got some extended studs, lug nuts, and spacers. The reason why I got spacers is because the car already comes with a spacer, so I wanted to make my wheels a little wider. And getting extended studs, as you know, these stock studs are very low thread count, and when you're getting extended studs, you gotta get some open-ended lugs. Up next, I got a short shifter and some shifter bushings. Adds so much more connectivity with shifting. After that, I got some Advan GTs from my boy. Shout out to my boy Fredo and his girl giving me those for the low. After that, I ended up getting the shifter bushings and all that on. Very easy to install. After that, I got some Billetworkz shift knobs, weighted shift knob, very nice shift knob. Stock shifter just doesn't do it, honestly. More carbon fiber, what's new, right? I mean, yeah, so after that, I ended up getting some OEM Toyota visors from a friend. Her name's Krista. She owns Third Pedal Co. Shout out to them. After that, I ended up getting some DC Sports shift boots and e-brake boots. After that, I got a Epsilon spoiler. I was actually on the pre-order list since November, and I finally got it in April. After that, more carbon fiber, and yeah. After that, I was like, you know what, finally I need to do some more performance mods. Shout out to my boy HKS.GRST, my boy Steven. He put me on with this exhaust. It sounds great. As you can hear in the background, that's my car with the exhaust. I absolutely love it. It's very lightweight. When I installed it and I took out the stock exhaust, man, that stock exhaust was heavy. The reason why I did choose HKS was because it was one of the most refined sounding exhausts for the GRC platform. I feel like a lot of the exhaust for the platform sounds very tin canny, raspy, straight pipey. I do not like that sound at all. Moving on, I ended up getting a Delta X pitch mount. This adds so much connectivity with the car, and I 100% recommend getting that for your GRC. After that, I ended up getting some Indy 500s. My brother hooked me up with those tires. I think those tires are the best value, the best bang for your buck. And soon I will be ripping up Thunder Hill in June, so stay tuned for that. Here is a mod list of all the mods that I did on my car. Feel free to pause and look through it. I ended up spending about a little over $20,000 in modifications for the car. One thing I do want to note, the stock audio system in this car is complete butt cheeks, and I definitely recommend either getting a sub like me or just upgrading the speakers, because man, that JBL sound system actually sucks. And if you're an audiophile like me, you definitely need some more bass. With these speakers, they are bassless. And that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any ideas what I should post next, please comment them down below. This is your boy Paulie, and I'm out.